Hey, it's Living with Shanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I set up our Valentine's Day dinner at home, and also going to show you what meal I prepare for Valentine's Day. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to just show you what I'm doing. I might talk a little bit more when I'm doing the food. So for this Valentine's Day, if you haven't watched my Valentine's Day for 2021, go ahead and watch that video right here. This here, what I did is I just set it up in the living rooms, kind of like in a relaxed mode, so we can eat, and then after eating we can just catch a movie or one of our favorite shows. We can just watch that tonight. Let's get started. I'm pushing the table a little bit further because I want us to kind of like sit on the floor, because once you sit on the floor, I know this is like too high, but I do want to just be cozy on the floor, so I'm gonna decorate the floor itself. So I went to the dollar store and I couldn't find any of the red roses, and the ones I used last year, I think I threw them away. I probably would throw them these ones away after as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and just set this up. I don't want to talk too much. I'm just gonna do a quick setup and then we're gonna move on to the food. As you can see, I'm doing it very simple. I am not putting any of the plates because once I make the food, I'm just gonna bring it here. So for the meal, I have here asparagus, salmon, and sweet potatoes. So we're gonna do something pretty quick. I did not put the milk out yet because I don't want the milk to cool down to become at room temperature. I don't want that, so I will add the milk later. So I do have also here like garlic and seasoning. I'm gonna peel my potatoes first.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the